Hi friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal. Hope all of you are doing good. So today here I am again with another bakery classics or bakery basic recipe. This is a hot favorite of kids across the world, choco chip cookies. These cookies are excellent with coffee or just to have it to lift your mood. So the ingredients required for this recipe are around 200 grams of refined flour, 100 grams of sugar. Here I am using powder sugar, the regular white one 50 gram, and Demerara sugar powder or a brown sugar powder 50 gram. If you don't have brown sugar, you can just use the white sugar, but this gives a nice color to your cookies. Around 50 grams of choco chips, couple of tablespoons of milk to adjust, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and some vanilla essence, 100 grams of our regular salted butter. So the first step for this recipe is creaming of butter. So let's take a deep pan, add our butter and start creaming it. This will take around 5 minutes. You need to make the butter nice and fluffy. Then we will add our sugar. So butter is creamed nicely, it has become nice and fluffy. So let's add both these powder sugars and mix it well. At this stage we will also add the vanilla essence. So our butter and sugar is nicely creamed now. It has become light and fluffy. This is the time we need to add our refined flour and baking powder mixture. But just that, there is a tip before that. Take a spoonful of refined flour, add it to your choco chips. Actually doesn't sink to the bottom of the cookies. So this is a tip. Anytime you are adding any heavy ingredient in a cake or a cookie, you should do it. So let's sieve our flour in the butter mixture. So I am adding flour and the baking powder. So our mixture is quite incorporated, the flour. This has to become a sand-like texture, crumbly texture. It's time to add our choco chip cookies. And with a very light hand, I am just going to give it a mix. You need to use a very light hand and give it a mix. So it's time to add half of the milk we have, and let's get this together like a dough. So like this, our dough is ready. It has to be like this consistency, and easily a ball should form out of it. So it's very simple, and our cookie dough is ready. It's time to bake. So I have actually put a butter paper or a parchment paper to a tray. We are going to do a small bowls like this out of cookie and place them on the tray. So this recipe will give you a nice 12 cookies. We are just adding few more choco chips on top so that makes it more tasty. Now you need to preheat your oven for 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes for this, and the baking time for this recipe is around 12 to 15 minutes. So our choco chip cookies are superbly baked. There is a nice cookie aroma, cookie baking aroma in the air. But these cookies are very hot. Before you actually touch it or eat it, you need to let it cool down completely because they are still hot and soft. So let us cool it and then we will taste it. So our choco chip cookies are ready. They are nicely cooled down and ready to be eaten. The hot coffee is ready, so I'm going to enjoy it. But if you like the recipe, you must subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, so whenever we do recipes like this, it will come to you. And do let us know how do you find this recipe. In the description box I have given the ingredients, measurements and the method, so you can always check it out there. And till we meet again, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.